Alright, I'm Leeds, this is my bike check. I'll start off with my bars. 420 baked. The 420 baked tempered bikes. My headset, oh fuck, that's sick, is Shadow Attack. My bar, my forks are Sub Rosa Delicious Prime forks. Same ones Wilton snapped and fell off and died. Grips are ODIs, are fucking soft. Now my wheel set is an Eclat. That's my sponsorship, shout out to Eclat. My peg is Colony one way, they're fucking shit. No shout outs to Colony. My left peg is a Primo 420 baked. Now my frame, that's my pride and joy, the Delicious Prime 2 by Raphael Jerome Williams. And there's this fucking sexy ass seat, the Pivotal Bone Death, fucking yeah. Now my tyres are Eclat Command and Eclat Control. My back peg is a 420 baked kink, and my chain is an Odyssey Bluebird. My cranks are Fly Dolman, and my pedals are Eclat, and my valve caps are those weird little skeleton rods.
Any more shout outs?
Shout out to Voco, and Wilto. Shout out to Voco and Wilto, that's all. The Voco gap.
I can't wait to die!